my gals, and my non-binary pals. My name is Delilah D, and welcome to my channel. Here I sit and burp for my viewers while talking a whole bunch of nonsense. And today's topic is my favorite topic in the whole world. Being an Aquarius. It makes sense, okay? I like weird shit, okay? I like weird things happening all the time, and I'm gonna be covering the weirdest while I try this energy drink. I haven't tried it yet. My boyfriend brought it here. Carbonated energy drink, Move. Guarana. Is that a flavor? I don't know what a guarana is. Is that a fruit? Okay, so this is guarana. Move. So let's try it. And okay, I'm gonna be talking about aliens. So if you don't like aliens, you should probably leave. But I feel like everyone loves aliens. Aliens represent so much, like, you know what I mean? Like of the unknown, and the fact that the U.S. government has just basically confirmed them. Hold on, my light's having a fit. There we go. Now that the US government has basically confirmed that they're real, I'm excited. I want to meet one. I want one to come on my show and show me how aliens burp. I feel like that should be my theme song. Let's go find our first burp. Let's see how this move makes me burp. Let's have a look. Not bad, not terrible, not wonderful. I haven't done my toenails, so don't come for me, okay? I have dyed my hair though. See, I'm not balding anymore. So aliens. Apparently they live in the ocean, which would not make them aliens though, because that means they're on our planet, which means they're a species of here, right? Unless some meteor came down, splashed into the ocean and created them in octopi. Because octopi are weird. Why does that sound wrong? Is it octopi? Octopuses? Comment below, I don't know. I know it's cacti and not cactuses, but I don't know about octopi. That sounds better, right? I don't know. Anyway, I'm wearing a dress. I probably shouldn't be folding my legs. What is your stance on aliens? I've gone down so many rabbit holes when it comes to aliens. Oh, someone asked if I can burp on. Come on, I can, but it's not very impressive if I don't have a gassy drink. So it would be a very boring video then. Also, it's hot as balls today. We have a heat wave in South Africa, so I am dying of heat right now. I had to put the fan off because otherwise it makes a hell of a noise in the video. Anyway, aliens. Where do you even start talking about this shit? Roswell? I remember not knowing what Roswell was. I remember it being a TV show, right? And as I got older, I started to research, you know, what Roswell's all about, what happened there. And it's insane. If you don't know the Roswell stories, you're missing out. Because it's really insane. They recovered bits of the UFO material, which are now called UAPs because nobody takes it seriously when you say UFO. So they found UAP material at the site, right? And they reported it in the newspapers, same day. Next day, US government said, you fucking say that shit was not real. You say that was all fabricated. and you tell them it was, what was it? Parachute material. I think they said it was parachute material. And that's what they did. And apparently one of the dudes who was at the site collecting the evidence and whatnot, he took a piece home, right? And then his son came out later to tell the press that no, it was not fucking parachute material. Here it is. Like it's I don't know if he actually showed them, but he said it was like tinfoil. I'm paraphrasing, I could be completely wrong, but I think he said it was like tinfoil, but if you crumpled it up and let it go, it would go back to its normal form. Which is insane, because we don't have materials like that. Could you imagine a sword being made out of something like that? Huh? Crazy. They also confirmed, like, I feel like UFOs are real. I don't know. They said aliens are real. That one I'm still trying to wrap my head around, but the UFOs I get, because I feel like the UFOs or the UAPs are living beings themselves, because they move in a way that makes it seem like they're conscious, they're alive, they know what's going on, you know, unless it's just technology that's so freaking advanced that it can think for itself, like AI. Imagine if an alien had, imagine us in a million years, right? We have AI. AI is advanced to like crazy. They haven't decided to kill us yet. Hopefully never. Anyway, yeah, could you just imagine? I think we'd also be living in the ocean. Maybe they're just advanced humans that are living in the ocean. That would make so much sense, because there's no way we are the only civilization, intelligent civilization. You know what I mean? Think about it. There's like 75% ocean, and we're living on like the 25% remaining land. Are you telling me? Please, Atlantis is real. They're probably mermaids. Listen, I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of my favorite alien clips right now, and then we're gonna continue burping. Just watch these. These are my favorite. I'm not saying they're real. I'm not saying they're perfect. Some of them are probably Adobe After Effects. I don't know. I don't care. But check out my favorite clips.
Mira, mira, mira. Oh my God. I don't know.
Now, how do you speak English? So you just picked up English, just like that? Because you're so smart, right?
Recently, I saw an alien laying on the beach surrounded by government officials. I decided to investigate the origin of the alien, and I stumbled upon what looks like an underwater alien base. Notice the circular structure deep underwater with an opening in the center. When viewed from land, we can see what looks like a UFO, right above the alien base. When we take a closer look at the underwater alien base, we can see that there is a 27-foot opening in the center. Is this where the UFOs go to hide from us? How many more hidden alien bases are there around the world? They are everywhere.
And what do you think? Do you think I'm crazy? Probably. I don't think it's that crazy though. I don't think it's that crazy. Some of those clips have me like really convinced. You know, and a lot of people are saying it's a distraction. Yes, it probably is a distraction because you fucking voted a crazy man in power. I should probably stop saying that. But, hello, you know? Didn't he say he was gonna expose this shit? So, expose it then. Like, they keep saying there's aliens. What? I want to see them. I want to see them. I want one to make a TikTok and tell us what we're doing wrong with the Earth. I'm pretty sure they have their own version of a cell phone down there. Huh? I wonder if they know we're real. Imagine we're the aliens. What? Because technically, like, what do they think? Scuba divers are like aliens? Huh? Crazy. But there have been sightings of aliens and UAPs for years. For years. Alien abductions. We haven't even spoken about that yet. Alien abductions. If they're from the ocean, okay, they're from the ocean. But they use UAPs to get to land. So they know we're real. They must know we're real. But I don't think it's a common thing. It's like going into space for us. I feel like you need to be qualified. You know, I don't think it's something you can just do for them. I don't know, I'm just speculating. I'm talking like I know these people. And I wonder if any of them have like, you know, gone all Little Mermaid, Ariel, and like, I want to be where the people are, you know, and just is one of us. I'm pretty sure I've dated a few. Maybe psychopaths are secretly aliens. It would explain a lot. It would explain a lot. Black coffee? Come on. Please, life's bitter enough. Oh. I'm still gonna do that movie date night burping video, but it's very hot right now. I'm thinking I'll do that in like the winter time. I also don't have a guest today. Yeah, I'm waiting for people to send me their videos, so we'll see. We'll see. If you want to be a guest on my channel and want to do some burpy burps with me, please DM me on, if you're a girl, because I don't really answer boys unless they, you know, are in the industry. But if you're a girl who's in the industry, preferably, you know, my industry, you know, the mini vids, cups for sale industry, you know, let me know and we can burp together and we can also talk about aliens. I love talking about aliens. Aliens are just so interesting. And I find it funny when people say, oh, they say, okay, I don't think they said it in Congress, but they say, oh, the aliens are small green men or small gray men or whatever. It depends who you ask. That's exactly how they're depicted in movies. But then I counter you this. Where did they get the description of the aliens in the first place to make the movie? To make the alien look like that? You know? So obviously they're going to look like that. But there's also accounts saying that there are different species. There's different types. Which makes sense, because there's different types of people on Earth. There's different types of fish. There's different... It makes sense. I always believed octopuses were aliens. Octopi. Bitch, I still don't know if it's octopuses or octopi. Both sound right. Both sound right. English is weird, okay? I told my boyfriend if aliens are real, I want a third. I'll take an alien's issues. You know, people have too many issues. But I'm pretty sure it'll be worth it. Alien. I say wild shit, but you guys know that it's all peace, love. But yeah, I would love an alien friend. So if you're an alien, and you probably are if you watch my stuff, I want to be your friend. By the way, you guys like the pigtails? I realize I've never actually done pigtails on my YouTube channel. I love pigtails. What else do I know about aliens? Ooh, now in hindsight, I wonder if those 10-foot aliens that they saw the other day in that mall, I wonder if that was true. 10 foot tall? Because, I mean, when you look back in, like, history stuff, there is evidence that there have been giants. I mean, big bones, anyway, big bones. I could be wrong. I don't know. Maybe that was false information. I don't know. And then you look at there's like some artifacts of, I think it was in Pompeii where they found like little apartments, like really little, like, and they think people, like tiny people lived in there. I feel like there's so much about the world that we just don't know. I believe magic is real. Because what's science at the end of the day? Science is just magic we understand. Huh? Chemistry? Pharmacies? All of it. It was magic before it was understood. You know what I mean? So yes, I do believe in magic. Because I believe science is magic. People often ask me, like, what do I actually, like, believe? It's hard. It's hard to tell you what I believe. Because every day I learn something new about the world, about the universe, about aliens. And you don't know what's real, what's not real. That's the problem. You don't know how much of the information is part of a disinformation campaign. Or Susie down the road that fucking figured something out about aliens. You know? But yeah, I love conspiracy theories. I could talk about it all day. But aliens are probably my favorite, honestly. Then there's the whole Anunnaki branch, where you can go into who they believe was like the first civilization on Earth. They're called the Anunnaki. And there's like a lot of like legends of different origins, like different cultures that tell the story basically of the Anunnaki, or a similar story of it, where they brought humans here and they made the moon. Don't let me get started on the fucking moon, bitch. The moon is weird. The moon sits exactly where it needs to for everything to work on Earth. And it's the only, as far as I know, the only moon out of all the planets that's that useful to us. You know, it kind of keeps the oxygen levels and things like in balance. Perfect. If it had to move a centimeter off of track, everything would go into chaos. Isn't that weird? That is weird. So when people are like, oh, I don't think the moon landing's real, I'm like, oh, you think the moon is real? Cute. No, I do believe the moon is real. I just love saying that to like piss people off. But yeah, the moon is weird, and a lot of people think it's hollow. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. Yeah, you need to watch a channel on if you like this kind of shit. I watch a channel called The Y Files. He explains it very well. Like, I really enjoy his videos. He goes into like time travels, and he goes into like all sorts of things that make my conspiracy theorist heart like so happy. And there's nothing I love more than the conspiracies I love coming true. Like the Free Britney thing, everyone thought I was crazy. Everyone thought I was crazy. I was like, that bitch is being held kept, and I still think she kind of is. I don't think she's 100% free. Nobody with that much money that's female is allowed to be free. You can quote me on that, because men will always try. Okay, not all men. Okay, so don't come for me. But misogynists, I should actually just say that misogynists will do anything they can to control a woman who has too much power. Too much power, according to them. You know? And it sucks. It fucking sucks. Britney should be president right now. Instead, she's dancing in her living room, obviously being fucking controlled by other people. And it makes me angry. Aliens, bitch. Aliens. We're talking about aliens. I could do a whole video on Britney herself. Let me know if you want that. I could talk about Britney all day. I've been a fan of her since I was 9 years old. Yeah, she became famous in 1999, right? I'm old as shit, guys. I'm 34. I can literally go into the fucking histories and tell you things that happened in 90s pop culture, because I was there. I've been a TV kid since I got out of the womb. I've always been a pop culture freak, but I've never felt like I know enough facts to have like a pop culture drama channel or whatever. Also, I don't have guts to be a drama channel. Can you imagine? I'll cry. I love burping. People like to come for me on like TikTok and tell me, you're not the best burper. I'm like, I never said I was. I never said I was the best burper. I like burping. I like eating. It doesn't mean I'm the best at it. I've never said I was the best at it. Never. I just like doing it. And apparently a lot of you guys like to watch me do it, because these are very popular. I know a lot of people have asked me to make videos of different kinds, but the reason I do burping videos on YouTube is I'm kind of trying to monetize my channel. So I'm trying to do more safe work stuff. You know, once I reach the threshold of actually making some money on this platform, I will do the other things that you guys want me to do again, because then I can put them on the not safe work side of YouTube and I won't get in trouble. So bear with me just for a little bit, just until I can get this channel monetized. What you can do is you can go and binge all of my safer work videos, my gaming videos, my burping videos, some of the educational stuff I put up, things like that. If you binge the crap out of those, my hours will go up and then I'll get paid for this channel, and then I can make all of the not safe work stuff again. But I won't stop making these burping vlogs. I'm actually really loving this. This is probably my favorite part of my whole channel. It's just sitting, talking, and burping, and I know you guys love it. The video is getting a bit long. Sorry about that. Let's just shut up and get as many burps out as we can while I think of things to say about aliens. So my favorite alien movie is Men in Black, obviously. Men in Black and Men in Black 2. Wasn't too crazy about the third one. It was okay, I guess. But, you know what's an alien movie you guys should watch if you haven't watched it? It's one based in South Africa. It's called District 9, right? And it's about this Afrikaans dude. And he gets infected. I think, I can't remember if he was like he was one of the guys keeping them in line. I think he was like a cop or something. And then he gets infected, and like it's like with this alien virus thing, and he's becoming one of them. And they're called prawns. And they're like this dirty, grungy type of alien that looks like a literal land prawn, I guess. Like it looks like a Parktown prawn. If you're from South Africa, you know what a Parktown prawn is. This fucking ugly thing. I'll put a picture. But yeah, that's a great alien movie. You guys should watch that. District 9. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty old. It's probably the most high quality video, like most high quality movie based on South Africa. It's like how it kind of is in South Africa. Like they exaggerate a lot, obviously, but the movie is quite accurate, I have to say. Especially because they got South African actors and it was in South Africa, which was really cool. It was a really cool movie. Anyway, you guys should watch that. Excuse me. Another one I want to watch it again because I think I was too small to understand it when it came out. Independence Day. I haven't seen. I don't remember Independence Day. I think I was really little, so it was on the TV, but I don't know, playing with my toys, so I wasn't really paying attention. But yeah. There's always one that's so beautiful. Hit a like if you like that one. Okay. Sounds like there's like one step left. Let's wrap this up, shall we? Okay, it's finished. Hey, I like that one. I think I'm gonna start doing a rating system where I rate the drink that I just had. And I must say, Mr. Move, guarana flavor. It was like a citrusy flavor. I didn't even tell you guys. It was like a citrusy flavor. I'm not sure what a guarana is, but it was quite tasty. I would give this, along with the burps, the burps were massive, but they were pleasant and they were a lot. And they tasted good. I think I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I think from now on I'm gonna rate all of them. And yeah, based on burps, based on flavor, based on just general experience. So I would give that one a 7 out of 10. Not perfect, beautiful Linda Evangelista, but it's fine. It's nice. It was nice. I liked it. What would you rate it? Let me know in the comments. And also, Remember to like, subscribe, send this to your creepy boss.